Bronchopulmonary Siberian Monastery Tea, Infusion Number 11. Why is it so effective? Let's discuss its composition. It includes healing herbs gathered in the ecologically cleanest regions of our planet. Each plant beneficially influences the body. Cocklebur aids in removing respiratory spasms and catching breath during asthma attacks. This plant decoctions are recommended for catarrhal diseases, fever, as well as a component in the complex therapy of pulmonary tuberculosis and laryngeal oncology. Iceland moss is the most powerful remedy against Koch's bacillus. It is approved by standard medicine experts. Thanks to its high content of mucus substances and organic acids, the plant helps stop inflammatory processes in mucous membranes of respiratory and digestive organs. Verbascum flower infusion is used as an effective expectorant. In addition, producing anesthetic and anticonvulsant actions, this remedy aids in curing bronchus diseases and removing severe coughs caused by bronchitis, pertussis, or pneumonia. Anti-inflammatory, astringent, and tonic properties of angelic roots are quite effective in curing bronchopulmonary infections, and their expectorant actions helps the body get rid of harmful substances and stop severe coughs. Duck's meat, stick-tight, plantain, milfoil flowers, and woundwort roots are widely used in stomatology to cure periodontitis, which usually accompanies heavy smokers. Cigarette cessation. Nettle, brandy mint, myrtle flag, and marshmallow roots strengthen the immune body protection. They produce tonic and general strengthening effects. Thus, this tea becomes an effective means which helps recover health, get rid of smoking consequences, get back work capacity, and invigorate your body. The key secret of Siberian monastery tea curative effects lies in the correct proportions of herbs comprising the tea. It is due to observing correct herb proportions that the beneficial impact on the body is strengthened. It goes without saying that all herbs are collected by hand. They are certified, and there are no GMO, dyes, flavors, or any other artificial additives. 100% natural. You can order highly effective bronchopulmonary Siberian monastery tea at our site, SiberianHerbs.com, right now. We deliver our orders worldwide. Be healthy.